Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the calendar app back on the home page of your iPhone. Let's get started. First, let's make sure the calendar app is actually installed on your iPhone. It's possible that it might have been accidentally deleted. To check if the calendar app is installed, swipe down from the middle of your home screen to open the Spotlight search. Type calendar in the search bar. If you see the calendar app here, it means it's still on your device but might be hidden in a folder or on another page. If the calendar app is hidden, you can find it and move it back to the home page. You can simply drag it and move it back to the home screen. If you don't see the calendar app in the search results, you may need to reinstall it from the App Store. Open the App Store. Then type in calendar into the search bar. And look for the official Apple Calendar app. Then simply tap Get. And that's it, your calendar app will be back on your home page. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks.